In this captivating video, we embark on a soul-stirring journey alongside two vibrant and spirited young boys from India as they make their way to a revered temple, seeking the divine blessings of the gods. We are presented with a vibrant tapestry of vivid imagery, showcasing the abundance of nature's wonders. Our eyes are delighted by a kaleidoscope of colors as we witness a plethora of exotic fruits, meticulously arranged in a bustling marketplace, their enticing aromas wafting through the air, heightening our anticipation for what lies ahead. As our young adventurers traverse the path towards the temple, we encounter a breathtaking array of flowers adorning the surroundings. Their petals gracefully sway in the gentle breeze, painting the landscape with vibrant hues, symbolizing purity and devotion. Each bloom seems to whisper ancient tales of reverence and faith, captivating our hearts. The Spinous Tree and its fruits, we gain a deeper appreciation for the wonders that nature. From its captivating appearance to its medicinal prowess, this extraordinary plant reminds us of the intricate interplay between the botanical realm and our own existence. Its fruits stand as a testament to the power and resilience of nature, offering us a glimpse into the vast treasures that lie within the embrace of the natural world. Beyond its defense mechanisms, Lantana mesmerizes with its kaleidoscope of colors. From fiery oranges and passionate reds to delicate pinks and sunny yellows, its vibrant blossoms captivate both pollinators and human admirers alike. Lantana's beauty serves as a testament to nature's ability to blend strength and elegance in perfect harmony. As Lantana continues to grow and spread, its intricate network of branches forms an impenetrable fortress. It stands tall, defying the elements and warding off threats with its natural fortification. Carissa corandus, commonly known as Carissa berry, is a fascinating plant that captivates both the eye and the taste buds. The fruit of the Carissa corandus plant is a small, round berry. The fruit is known for its unique combination of sweet and tangy flavors, making it a delightful treat for the palate. With each bite, one can experience a burst of refreshing tartness followed by a subtle sweetness that lingers on the tongue. The Carissa corandus fruit is not only a culinary delight but also holds medicinal properties. Rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Garcinia Indica, commonly known as kokum, is a remarkable tree that offers a bounty of exquisite fruits. Nestled amidst the lush green foliage, the Garcinia Indica tree bears small, round fruits. The fruits are about the size of a cherry tomato, with a smooth and slightly wrinkled skin. When sliced open, they reveal a succulent, tangy pulp. The flavor of Garcinia Indica fruits is truly unique, combining notes of tartness, sweetness, and a hint of bitterness, creating a symphony of taste on the palate. These fruits are not only a culinary delight but also boast numerous health benefits, packed with antioxidants and essential nutrients. Plumeria trichomes not only provide a unique texture to the leaves but also act as a protective shield. They create an inhospitable surface for pests, making it difficult for them to land and cause damage. Plumeria's leaf defense system is a subtle yet effective mechanism, ensuring the plant's well-being. And then there are the flowers. Oh, the flowers! Plumeria boasts some of the most captivating blossoms in the botanical world. The banyan tree, with its majestic presence and intricate aerial roots, is a symbol of strength and wisdom in the botanical world. Standing tall and commanding attention, the banyan tree's expansive canopy provides shade and shelter to all who seek respite beneath its branches. Its unique characteristic lies in the aerial roots that descend from its branches, gracefully reaching towards the earth and forming a mesmerizing network of intertwining roots. These roots not only anchor the tree firmly in the ground but also serve as a captivating sight, evoking a sense of awe and wonder. As the banyan tree matures, its aerial roots grow thicker and stronger, creating a natural fortress around its trunk. This architectural marvel not only adds to the tree's grandeur but also reinforces its resilience in the face of adverse weather conditions. The banyan tree is a living testament to the power of adaptation and endurance. In the serene town of Shetrpal, nestled amidst lush greenery, stands a magnificent temple dedicated to the revered avatar of Lord Shankara. This sacred place, known as the Shetrpal Temple, holds a deep significance for the devotees who seek the blessings of the divine. The year 2023 marked a momentous occasion as the temple underwent a grand renovation, breathing new life into its ancient structure. The temple's architectural marvel is crafted entirely from the local laterite stone, known for its durability and unique reddish-brown hue. The intricate designs, painstakingly carved into the laterite stone blocks, showcase the skill and devotion of the artisans who contributed to its creation. Once a year, in a joyous celebration, the idol of Shetrpal is placed in a beautifully adorned Pocky, a decorative palanquin. The Pocky is carried by devotees, who lovingly traverse the streets of Shetrpal, bringing the divine presence of the god to every home. This cherished tradition unites the community, filling the air with a palpable sense of excitement and devotion. As the Pocky visits each household, their hearts brimming with joy and reverence. It is a rare and blessed opportunity to have the god himself grace their humble abodes. Families offer prayers, light incense, and adorn their homes with flowers, welcoming Shetrpal's divine energy and blessings into their lives. The atmosphere is filled with love, gratitude, and a shared sense of happiness, as the presence of the god brings solace and reassurance to all. In this tranquil haven of faith and devotion, the Shetrpal Temple stands as a testament to the unwavering belief of its devotees. It is a sanctuary where the divine and human realms intersect, and where people find solace, strength, and a renewed sense of purpose. The temple's hallowed walls, adorned with the intricate craftsmanship of the laterite stone carvings, whisper stories of devotion, resilience, and the unwavering presence of Shetrpal, the divine protector.